Hello, my name is George Salcedo. I work for Rooter Hero Plumbing, and today's task we're going to go over installing a single handle faucet. Tools you need in installing a single handle faucet. For this particular faucet, all we need is a basin wrench like this. When you get your single handle faucet here, you're going to have a nut and a washer and a finish with an O-ring on it here. So you're going to leave this piece with the O-ring to the faucet, remove the washer and the nut so that you can slide it into the hole and go ahead and get ready to install it. Once you get those out, you can get ready to install your faucet. Once it's all the way in, make sure this piece is to the right and grab your washer and your nut, go into the sink, put it inside just like you took it out and go ahead and tighten it. Okay, so now once your faucet is in, right under your faucet you want to grab your pull down hose, which is this here, and connect it to the copper piece coming down from the faucet. You're going to see your hot and your cold connections, and then you got one more copper piece with a plastic piece on there, and that's where this quick connect connects to. And it's simply really easy. It's just going to click. Once it clicks, you know it's secure. There, it clicked. You're good. Once your hose is all the way in there, you want to grab your weight, and you want to put your weight right at the center here. And what that's going to do is when you pull your hose down, it's going to help you. The weight will help it put it back easily instead of forcing the hose into the faucet. And the way you install this is you put them right in between the holes, and it's got two screws and it goes on each end. Only tool you need here is this Phillips screwdriver. And that's how you install a single handle faucet.